Have you ever wondered what makes Sevilla one of the most captivating destinations in the world? Today, we're going to transport you to this jewel of southern Spain and embark on a virtual journey that will leave you enchanted at every turn.
We start our exploration in the heart of Sevilla, at the awe-inspiring cathedral. This Gothic masterpiece houses the iconic bell tower, La Giralda, which offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Adjacent to the cathedral, you'll find the real Alcazar, a dreamy royal palace with lush gardens, tile-filled courtyards, and architecture that melds Islamic, Gothic, and Renaissance styles. Next, we venture into the historic Santa Cruz neighborhood. With its narrow cobblestone streets, picturesque squares, and charming white houses, getting lost in this medieval labyrinth is like stepping into a fairy tale. But Sevilla isn't just about history and architecture. It's also a city of joy and celebration. Feel the contagious rhythm of flamenco, the city's musical soul, in its numerous tablaos. The passion and talent of the dancers will leave you mesmerized and yearning for more. Of course, we mustn't forget about Sevilla's exquisite cuisine. From traditional tapas to more sophisticated dishes, Sevilla is a paradise for food lovers. Try the famous tapas at Mercado Loña del Barranco, savor the authentic taste of gazpacho at a typical city bar, or indulge in local delicacies at the Triana market. For the adventurous, a visit to the lively neighborhood of Triana is a must. Known for its vibrant streets, traditional ceramics, and bohemian atmosphere, Triana will captivate you with its authenticity and charm. If you're looking for an escape from the city, don't miss a trip to the charming town of Carmona, with its stunning Roman aqueduct and panoramic views of the surrounding olive and orange groves. We also have to mention the iconic Feria de Abril, a colorful and lively celebration that takes place in the Los Remedios fairground. For 1 week, Sevilla transforms into a sea of flower-decorated casetas, filled with music, dance, food, and drink. Another city highlight is the Torre del Oro, a defensive tower built in the 13th century on the banks of the Guadalquivir River. From the top of the tower, you can enjoy impressive views of the river and the city, and learn about Sevilla's fascinating maritime history in the Naval Museum housed within. And speaking of the Guadalquivir River, don't miss a boat ride on its tranquil waters for a unique perspective of the city and its most iconic monuments. In conclusion, Sevilla has it all: history, culture, cuisine, and fun. Once you visit, you'll fall head over heels for its beauty and magic, and you'll find yourself yearning to return again and again to uncover all its secrets. So don't wait any longer. Come and discover the magic of Sevilla.